Most of us probably have a drawer full of old gadgets lying around. Letting them pile up and collect dust isn't just a waste of money, but also a missed opportunity. You'd be surprised how many useful things your old devices are capable of. In this Komando DIY, a few things you can do with your old smartphones after you upgrade. Don't like the standard alarm? No problem. Even if you're not paying for self-service on your old device, you can still use it to rise and shine every morning. This is especially helpful if you want to avoid checking your social media or email accounts in bed. You can also set up home security. With those amazing built-in cameras and Wi-Fi, your old phone can keep an eye on your home at all times. Just download the Skype app and set it up to automatically accept incoming calls so you can check in on things while you're out. If you have some really old gadgets that won't get you extra cash and aren't properly functioning to use creatively, you could recycle them. It's a very simple process. National retail chains like Best Buy and Staples offer some easy recycling options. Apple is another good source for recycling, especially Apple-branded products like MacBooks. Just make sure you remove all your data first. Even if you don't have an active mobile plan on an old phone, you can still use it to call emergency services. By law, all cell phones are required to allow you to call 911 even without a service plan. Alternatively, you could also go old school. With Wi-Fi and a Google Voice number, you have an instant home phone. When the Wi-Fi is out, 911 should still work for emergencies. For more ideas for your old phones and answers to all your tech questions, head to komando.com.